Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete all Snapchat photos and videos from iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To delete all Snapchat photos and videos from iPhone, you need to be in your Photos app. So in your home screen, open the inbuilt Photos app. At the bottom, you have the following: Library, For You, Albums, and Search. Just tap on Search. Now head over to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Next, tap Snapchat from the suggestions. You will now get to see all the photos and saved from Snapchat. At the top right, you have the option See All. Tap on it. Next, tap the Select button at the top of the page. You need to select all the photos, so just tap on each photo to select it until all are selected. At the bottom of the page, tap the trash icon. A pop-up will appear, so tap Delete Photos. Your Snapchat photos are now deleted, but they are not permanently deleted. To delete them permanently, head over to Albums. Here, scroll all the way down and open Recently Deleted. Now enter your passcode. You will now get to see all your deleted Snapchat photos. Here, tap Select. At the bottom right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap Delete All. That is how to delete all Snapchat photos and videos from iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.